Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously done radio button and we have to do checkbox here. Let's import here. I will import here from Tkinter. Import star means I am starting here. I will make window is equal to simply tk. It is simple method, and I will change this window dot main loop here up to here. It is going to run here, and let's make the checkbox. I will make this checkbox 1 is equal to, we have to make checkbox, and we have to pass here windows here, and text we have to pass here text. I'll pass opt1, and we have to pass variable here to variable is equal to, I will make here check variable 1 because we want to make multiple is equal to string var same. I will make this here, and we have to pass some values. This is on value, and so when it is checked, I will pass 1 and 0 here, and off value when it is not checked equal to 0. Let's grid it. c1 dot grid, I'll grid it to row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0. Let's make 3 or 4 more here. I will make only 2. Let's make this again. I want to copy this because if we copy this it will save our time. Let's see, I will copy this variable to, let's make variable here 2, we can make anywhere 2, and this is 3, here pass 2, and here pass 3, and this will be option value 1 2 3. This should be c2, and this should be also c2 and c2. This is c3, this is c3, and this is c3, and I will mark this to 1 2 1, and this is 2. I will make here button same as previous we have made. UTTON button is equal to, here we can pass some variable, that is we have to pass window here first of all, then text to submit, and command we will give lambda. I will make run 1 value. Let's save it and make it run 1 should be in, we have to define it. Here we should get, I will print this value, print, I will concatenate it with value c1 check 1 is equal to plus check var dot get, have to get, this is 1 check var 1. Let's copy this and paste all. This is 2, this is 3, and this is also 2 and 3. Let's run and see if we got the right answer. It should not give me error, but it is give me error. Check. It is giving me error on checkbox. Let's see what is giving error. This is not a checkbox, this should be checks button, because we are using button here. Here checkbox is not used on Tkinter. It should not give me error now. Yes, but it is not showing me a button here because I have not grid this button. Dot grid, I will grid to row 1 and column is equal to, I will make to 1 at the center position. It should give me, yes, I have grid this. Now activate this button. Now it should give C1 is equal to 1, and let's see, it is giving 0. Let's see and make this. Let's see, yes, we are getting right answer. C1 is equal to 1. This, let's see as we make this. Yes, this is used when you can make that, like accepting any company's policies or that privacy. You see in any software license that if this is equal to 1, then we can proceed forward, otherwise if this is equal to 0, we can set, we can disable the button. This can be used in this, and this is nothing like other because it is simple. This is getting text, this is writing text box. This is variable that will store the value of this text box, if it is on or off, and it is grading at a specific position, and when we submit this, it will run the function called run1, and here we are printing their value. This is simple. In next video we will learn some interesting thing, that is graph. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.